Okay, here we are looking at a dishwasher that won't wash dishes. First of all, we see that the stove pan is right in the front. I mean the broiler pan, which that will block the soap door from opening. You can't have anything tall right in front of the soap door, number one. Then we see here that this drawer, when we roll out the drawer, right under here is where the pop-up sprayer comes. Oh wow. And then this is how this pops up. I don't have any way to grab that thing. Anyway, that's pop-up. That's a pop-up sprayer in the center there, and that has to pop up, and through this hole in the middle, the square hole in the middle must be clear in order for the sprayer to work. Also, before you pull out the drawer, when it's done, make sure the sprayer isn't jammed up, or else it'll pull the sprayer off, and the sprayer will just get knocked off because when the second here. When the sprayer comes up, see, if it gets stuck up because you piled dishes too close, then it'll break this. Then the spray head will come off like this, and it'll be laying here. And this is how all these burnt holes get on the side, because if you're not aware of that, then next time it dries, it'll burn the sprayer arm because you didn't even pay attention that the sprayer arm wasn't on when you had the drawer out to load the dishwasher.